Hi everyone, my name is Carson MUA on here on YouTube. I hope you're having a great November if you're watching this when I post it. If not, I hope you're having a good day. This is kind of a neutrally natural brown gold look. Good for any time of the year. I just decided this is a fall-y kind of like inspired look. I think it looked really good. I like how it turned out. When I used to do makeup, like when I started learning how to do makeup, I used to do this all the time as like my go-to type look. And so I love that I can still do this and I can put a little bit more new twist on it as well. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this look and want to see how I did it. Keep watching this video. Okay, this is the second time recording this. I hope you can hear me maybe a little bit better. I just recorded this whole entire voiceover a second ago until I realized when I was about to play it that I accidentally forgot to change a setting and change it over to my microphone, but it recorded that whole entire voiceover through my computer speakers. So I'm having to do this again. And I'm trying something different. I changed the recording volume to maybe a little bit higher for you guys, because even while I'm editing, I always have to turn my sound up to like full blast in iMovie. So maybe I learned a new way to make them myself just a little bit louder, where I don't have to do that and you can actually hear me. Please ignore any fan sounds you might hear. My computer is working overtime now. If you hear snoring too, that's Duncan. I said that in the last one, but now I have to re-record it, so kind of have to say everything over again, which is completely fine. Shit happens. But yeah, so like you always know, Duncan's with me, like always. And he is always sleeping whenever I have to do speaking parts in my video. So, I hope you guys are having a good November day. When I'm recording this is Monday the 7th. Like I mentioned in the last video, we are expected to have a hurricane. By the time this video comes out, the hurricane would probably be long past gone from Florida. But yeah, so I'm excited for the holidays to come. I hope you guys are excited too. What's your plans? You're spending it with family, friends, whatever are we doing? Let us know. I'm probably just spending it with my family like I always do, and Dylan, and now Duncan is here. We're doing that. This is his first Thanksgiving, and we're also going to be celebrating his first Christmas coming up, which is exciting. And I have to make an ornament for his first Christmas. Last night, we actually, because my parents are changing up their outside decorations, and they were going to use a blow-up, like, it's a castle. It's like a 10-foot tall castle. And they couldn't blow it up outside because the second they went outside, it started pouring down rain. And then it got too dark to figure it out outside. So then they blew it up in the living room. And Duncan was like, what in the hell is that thing? Because he's never seen, inflatables or anything like that. But yeah, so we're excited to see how he's going to react to the Christmas tree and all that fun jazz. And yeah, ignore any singing I do or you see me jamming in this video. There are a few times where I am. I listen to music while recording these videos now because it takes me about an hour to do my makeup, and these are just sped up versions of what I do in an hour. But yeah, if you guys would like to know what kind of music I listen to, I don't mind making a playlist, like putting it in the description or something, putting it at the beginning card or something like that. If you guys are interested in the music I listen to while doing videos, what hypes me up while I'm making makeup videos in general, because I can't listen to them while I do HMMs because copyright, my guy, is not a fun thing, and I don't want to have to get struck down by ye old copyright just because of a song I wanted to listen to during that time. But yeah, if you guys want, let me know. I'd love to start that off. Even I was thinking about that while I was doing this video. That was my first palette, by the way. I said that in the last one because I used it for both of these looks. That was my first ever palette. It has been loved to death, you can tell. It's always a good palette to do like fall kind of looks. But yeah, so I hope you are having a good day whenever you actually are watching this. I had to go to work and might be off the next couple days because of this hurricane when recording, and I'm excited for that because then I'm just gonna sit at home and do basically nothing, or I'm gonna edit all the videos I recorded yesterday, so Sunday, well, Saturday and Sunday, so the 5th and the 6th, because of today being the 7th, at least when recording this. 5th, I recorded 4 videos each, or, well, 4 videos in total, 2 videos each for both channels, and same for Sunday, and now I'm actually ready to go for the beginning of December, because who knows what's gonna happen in December with the holidays and everything going on. I don't want to fall behind. I like my schedule that I have with posting for both channels, for Mondays on the other channel and Wednesdays on this channel, and I want to stick with it. So the best thing for me to do, especially coming up during the holidays, is to pre-record, but I'm talking in as it's happening as of that month, because I don't want you guys to feel like, oh, we just pre-recorded bunch of videos and just threw them out there. I didn't. I pre-planned just to get ahead so I don't accidentally fall behind, because there's going to be a lot of stuff happening throughout the month of December, and I want to make sure I don't accidentally fall behind. At least be prepared for the beginning of January is what I'm going for. So I'm gonna get December ready throughout the rest of the month. I've already got the first week done and ready to go for y'all. I hope you guys are excited to see what I have ready for the end of November and the beginning of December, the whole month of December, really. The whole rest of the year, basically. I have that pre-planned, ready to go. The only thing I have to do is research about 3 different topics for HMMs and do the makeup corresponding with those topics whenever I do decide to record. I was listening to Lorna Shore while I was doing this part, so that's why I kind of was singing along. But yeah, so I am so happy I was able to get that many videos recorded this past weekend. Didn't think I would have. If you guys are watching, TV shows or movies, I'd love to know what kind of movies and stuff you're watching. What good TV shows are there that you guys like? Right now, me and Dylan are finishing House of Dragons. We watched a couple episodes last night because we watched basically like when halfway through the season. Now we watched a couple more episodes because we were waiting until the rest of the season came out. I don't want to spoil anything, but we, I think, have only a few more episodes to go for the rest of the season, and then we'll be done. That's been interesting. I watched Game of Thrones basically since the beginning, and I'm interested to see what they're gonna do with all these other Game of Thrones related shows that are supposed to come out. I'm excited. We're gonna watch it. We haven't watched Rings of Power yet. So if you guys have seen it, tell me if it's good. My parents have watched it, I think. I and Dylan haven't just yet. We've been watching a couple other things. But soon, we're gonna be watching, you know, Christmas related movies when it comes up soon. That's coming up around the corner, guys. You know. So, if you guys are watching Christmas movies already, let me know. Because some of you probably are. I at least am gonna wait till closer to December to start with those. At least, even though there's so many, I'm at least gonna wait till we hit December, because I'm that type of person that's like, if it's not even December, don't let me hear any Christmas related things. We aren't even past Thanksgiving. Most of the time when people start like putting Christmas things in, it's not even Halloween yet, and it bothers me because I love Halloween. Halloween's my favorite holiday. Also, if you are looking for a good, don't judge me right now, but if you guys are looking for a good red lipstick, try, if you want a like blue red type shade, try the Fenty Beauty red or NARS's Star Woman. I think it's Lily Singh collaboration. I think I got that when that came out. That's the one I'm wearing today in this video, is the Lily Singh collab with NARS, because both of those are very good blue reds. I've tried so many reds, like I went through a whole like year of just trying to find the perfect red, and I went through so many freaking brands just to find the perfect red for me, because I'm white and pasty and freckly and not everything looks good on me. Like things were too orange or whatever was the issues. But those two, and there's a couple other ones that are the best reds to use. I don't do red lips that often too, but I decided to do it in this video. I hope you guys like how this turned out. I don't do red lips honestly that often, but this time I used my NARS liquid lipstick and Star Woman. I got this a while ago because I went on the hunt specifically for like a perfect red lip for like my pale ass. So it's between that and the Fenty one I usually go to if I ever do a red look. I haven't done one in a very long time, so that's why I was like, you know what, this is a neutral look, it would look good with red, why not, let's do it today. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, check out more of my channel, go look at more of my makeup videos. If you like, go watch more of my other videos if you like this one, and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. I post every Wednesday, and then go check out my other channel. I usually wear my makeup looks in my other channel for History Mystery Mondays, so if you want to go check that out as well. Post every Mondays, like in the title, and yeah, go check them out. Links are in the description for all socials, all channels. I also have an Etsy shop if you guys are interested in that. It's a sticker shop. Go check that out too, might as well. And yeah, so I hope you guys are having a good day, evening, night, morning, whenever this is getting to you. If it's not in November, that's okay. But I hope you guys are having the best days, and I hope you guys are safe.